Welcome, in this video we will use THC Hydra password cracker. There are times in which we all have the time to physically attack a Windows-based computer and obtain security account manager directly. However, there will also be times in which we are unable to do so, and this is where an online password attack proves most beneficial. Hydra supports many protocols, including FTP, HTTP, HTTPS, MySQL, MS SQL, Oracle, Cisco, IMAP, VNC, and many more. Be careful, as this type of attack can be a bit noisy, which increases your chance of getting detected. A connection to the internet or intranet as well as computer that we can use as our victim is required to complete this task. Let's begin the process of cracking an online password. Go to Applications, Linux, Password Attacks, Online Attacks, Hydra GTK. We can see that Hydra started. We'll need to set our word list. Click on the Password tab. We'll use a username list and a password list. Enter the location of your username and password list. Here I saved username and password files. Let's select username. Here we can see that usernames and select password file. Select loop around users and try empty password. Select try empty password checkbox. Now we will tune the attack. Under performance option, we will set the number of tasks from 16 to 2. The reasons for this is that we do not want to have so many processes running that we bring down the server. Although optional, we also want to set exit after first found pair option. Last, we'll go our target, click on the target tab and set our target protocol that we wish to attack. In our case, we are using MySQL port of our Metasploitable machine. Now let's open up my victim machine as Metasploitable 2 machine. Here you can see that the IP address of my victim machine, IP address 192.168.154.131. So type 192.168.154.131. Select protocol MySQL. We execute the exploit by clicking on Start tab and pressing the Start button. We use Hydra to perform dictionary attack against our target. So Hydra works by allowing us to specify a target and using the username and password list. It attempts to brute force password by using various combination of usernames and password from both lists. Here you can see that MS admin as username and password is found. So that's it in this video on Hydra online password attack. Thank you for watching this video.